Guys, check out all the videos on my channel. There are a bunch of videos to entertain everyone. Go check it out and please subscribe. Thank you. Time for bike ride, guys. Hey guys, I'm just fitting the tank ring for the tank bag. Actually, it didn't come with the tank bag, so I had to buy the ring. It took a 1 week shipping to come. So SW Motec, I'm not too happy with the shipping and the communication. They didn't reply to my emails or anything, so I don't know. Just hope the bag works out great. I'll fit it and show you. So I've just fitted this ring here now, the tank ring. We had to undo the screws of the tank and then just put this and put some new bolts in. And this is how the bag will fit now. It is pretty simple. So the bag is now on the tank. The phone holder needs to move a little. This is how it looks. So quite nice actually. It took just 10 minutes to fit. So it's a very small tank bag, nothing big, just for my gloves and keys and wallet. Just stopped at a nice location here. It's quite hot and I wore the leather jacket, so let's see how it goes. So I didn't get my big GoPro on the helmet. I just got it carrying like this. Bike's looking good. So this is where we are. Palisades Lookout. That's all upstate New York there. Just walking here. Pretty nice here, guys. So we just admiring some of the beauty before we keep riding. Bike's looking great. So I told you I'd put these fluorescent stickers. So it gives more high visibility to the bike. And the tank bag is looking fine. It's got a safety attachment here which I've attached to the ram. So if the bag ever falls, it'll at least be attached to the ram. So guys, today I wanted to ask you, what age do you think is the right age to keep riding to? Is it ever too old to stop riding? I don't know. And I know I'm not vlogging while riding today. I just thought I'll stop and talk to you guys. I'm 45 now. I'll be 45 next month, and I personally feel I can keep riding till 75. I mean, if God blesses me enough, I can even ride till 80. But you have to know your limits, right? So you can be 40 and not have the right physical attributes to ride a motorcycle for long. Something like this needs you to be in good physical shape just to sit on the bike. You have to climb over. If you're physically not fit, there's no way you can have a proper ride with the bike. So Age is just a number. You just need to make sure that you're physically fit. You have no back issues, you have no leg issues. Sometimes when I sit on the back of the bike, I get a lot of leg pain. So I started doing yoga, because it's hot. Let me put the shade down. I started doing yoga to make sure that I can sit better on the bike for longer time. And obviously with the lockdown, we're not doing long rides. But once the long rides start, definitely we want to make sure that we can be comfortable on the bike. This is just a stock seat. So age is just a number, guys. I know people who ride their Harley Davidsons at 85 also. 85 years old. They've ridden to Sturgis from their house, 3-4 day riding. Even at 85 years old. So riding can go on till you're dead. I mean, there's no age limit for riding. I don't know what you guys think. Please put in the comments from a safety standpoint, what do you think is the right age to ride, or there's a way to, even if you don't have to have an age, what do you suggest as a health for riding? Getting the GoPro back on the bike, ready to roll. So today I'm not doing much of vlogging while riding. I just mounted the GoPro on the bike and decided, because I wanted the half helmet, so the breeze, everything. It's a hot day and it's about past 11:20 in the morning. I've been riding for about an hour now. Then I decided, start talking to you guys, make you guys part of my everyday life. I'm going to keep riding. My Friday ride is something I can't let go of. So you guys will see more of it. I'm going to turn the GoPro so you get a front view. But always remember, if you ride, whether you're 20 or whether you're 75, respect the other people on the road. Make sure you ride within your limits. I'm sure older people are more careful. Just, when I was 20 I was rash, but now at 45 I have kids, I have a life. I need to be more careful on the road. So I don't think I'll ever stop riding. It may be different bikes. I've even thought of buying a trike when I'm older, when I'm 70. So the open air and the breeze and the helmet, the wind on your helmet is what I ride for. Which bike is secondary. And I'm also, in love with the Royal Enfield. So the Royal Enfield is available in the US, and I definitely may want to look at that in the future. Stopped again in the middle of the ride, and it's something called the Alpine Lookout here. That's all upstate New York. Such a beautiful day, guys. Yeah, so I don't want to put age as a criteria for the biking. I know people don't talk about all this when they ride or drive a car, but people always talk about biking, right? Motorcycle. Are you too old to motorcycle? Are you too old to hit the highways? Are you too old to ride? That's a lot of bullshit, but at the same time, if your body can't take it, you need to think about it. It's more the physical fitness and the mental fitness rather than just age. And while a lot of parents settle down, they want their kids to do well in life, the parents are retired, then suddenly the dad gets up one day and says, I want to start riding a motorcycle, I want to learn. I think that's a bit too late, because if at 60 you want to start riding a motorcycle, get your license, start riding, it's fine, but I would say that's a bit risky, because if you've been riding for 30-40 years, it's just, in your memory, you know how to ride without any risk. I don't know what I'm talking, guys, but it's so pretty here. Maybe I'm just talking crap. Let's walk back to the bike. So what's good about New Jersey is that it's called the Garden State, so there's a lot of greenery everywhere. This is the second place I've stopped at. The first clip was the other place. This is the second place, so this is as beautiful. Anyways, time to get on the bike again. I wasn't even planning a video today, I was just going on a ride, but then I thought I'll get comments that where are you, so let me see if I can make something out of this, but the focus is the ride today. Time to keep rolling. Guys, check out this awesome Jeep Sahara Wrangler. The red and white, and it's got red and black seats. Totally cool. The red, black and white looks awesome. Quite hot, and I did a long ride. I did actually 2-hour ride. But because I didn't have the camera on the helmet, and I didn't want to, I wanted the half helmet today. So the half helmet did good for the breeze and everything. So yeah, when it comes to age and riding a motorcycle, don't think about it too much. At least I don't. So, and I know a lot of people may think I'm in a midlife crisis, buying bike at 45 and everything. This is not true. I'm someone who's been riding a bike from age of 17 actually I started. So it's been a long journey for me, and it'll never stop, okay? So you may comment about how many miles I ride or how many days I ride, that's all irrelevant. I just ride to de-stress, to enjoy the roads, to enjoy the breeze, and to enjoy the bike. So that's it for today. Thanks for joining, and remember, age is just a number. Take care, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye.